Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another Coach unboxing, and this particular item, when it first came out, right away it caught my attention. And I went to the store, I went to our nearest boutique, and I love it. I love the shape and I love how minimalist this bag is. So anyway, this is the Coach. Wow. This is the Coach Chelsea in a size 30. Okay. And this one, I got the suede, the clay suede, and it took me a while to make a decision to pick the right color. I mean, I already have a lot of black, I already have a maple, and I did not have any of this color, the clay color, in my collection. And look how gorgeous she is. I'm not really sure. I mean my ring light is already full blast, but I'm not really sure if you see it in person, definitely you would appreciate it. I'm not really sure how the color actually picks up on the camera, but it's gorgeous. The color is gorgeous in person. Now, the biggest question is this. Honestly, guys, I have used suede bag in the past. As far as I remember, I have few of them, and I decided to part ways with my suede bags. That's because it is really hard to maintain. I love the feel of it, the look, but because I get tired of babying my bag. I mean, that is a fact. And this would be my very first suede bag in more than a decade, I must say. And is she gorgeous? Yes, she is gorgeous. She is beautiful. I love the color so much. And yes, if I'm gonna wear her, definitely I'm gonna baby her, of course. And this is how it looks. I love the shape of it. It is very minimalist. There is not much of a hardware except for this D-ring over here for the hang tag. This is how it looks on the side. And this one right here, this doesn't have an adjustable and removable strap. So this one can only be worn on your shoulder. So this is the strap right here, and the other side is leather. And then the flap, of course, right here, it's also very minimalist with the logo. So it says here Coach New York, and it's in gold foil stamp right here. And then let's open it, and this one has a push lock closure. Okay, and then let's open it inside, and let's see right here. Oh gosh, the interior, guys, it's absolutely stunning. While I was at the boutique, I thought right away the material should be the other way around. The interior should be the exterior of the bag, and that would have been perfect. Look how gorgeous the color is. Right there. It is so pretty. I love it so much. And that is the only reason I think that I could think of why I purchased it. And let's take a look at inside. This one still has the stuffing. Like I said, I just got her brand new. There are stuffing inside, some desiccant. Look at the interior lining with the leather. It is stunning. I can't get over how lovely the interior is. Right there, it has a zip pocket right here at the back, which is kind of long. That's surprising. And I think it runs from here to the other corner. I think this would fit a plus phone. And then we have some zipper pull right here. So right there, and then the patch screen is actually separate. And then it's stunning. I really wish that this should be the other way around. I wish this should be the exterior. The leather should be the exterior of the bag, and that would have been perfect. It's absolutely amazing. So the bag is just like a wide opening, just like that. There's no compartment right here, and then it has another D-ring right here on the inside, right there. And it is very, very soft and supple, and it is slouchy. I'm telling you guys. And then we have the push lock closure right here. I don't know what is your thought about that. I mean, I don't know. Do you prefer magnetic or the push lock closure? That's because like if a constant rubbing over here or touching on this part right here, eventually this would fade. And right now this is new, and I could already see the K started fading, and I think that's okay. I mean, the whole idea of the bag is more of like a low-key bag. It's like muted. It's not screaming the Coach brand, and that's what makes this bag so special. And another thing that I like about this bag is those lovely stitching. The contrasting stitching is amazing. We have right here the large ones, and we have the mini stitching right here on the side. It is a great combination. Over here, and then also the hang tag as well. It's in suede. So right here at the bottom, there's no stamping at the bottom. I mean, you guys, if you have seen the leather, there was a stamp right at the bottom, genuine glove tan leather or genuine full grain leather. So usually you get to see that, but with this one, there is no stamping at all. And then this corner right here is the folded corner, and with the leather, I have some issues in the past with my Brooklyn bag, and of course it shows wear on the side, but I don't know how this would wear out with the suede. Since she's new, I haven't sprayed her. Definitely maybe later this afternoon or maybe tomorrow I will start prepping and sprayed her. Definitely for stain and water repellent spray. So I should. And overall, the bag is gorgeous. And we have the shoulder strap right here. I have tried it on, but I haven't even used it. It's very light. I love it. And pretty much just like, I don't know, it's a little bit like, it's hard to describe this bag because it is tiny. It is small. I must say. I think this is in the smaller side, and there is plenty when you open it. It's just one open space, and right there. I might get an organizer. I already have a lot of organizers from my previous bag, so I might use that. And gosh, guys, I still can't get over with how gorgeous the leather is. This should be the exterior. I keep repeating that. So now I have this color. I mean, I don't really need to buy another bag, a new bag, but since I didn't have Chelsea on my collection, I think this would be my very first and last for the Chelsea. And there is a possibility that I may not use her. I might just put her on display just to get this as a part of my collection because, like I've mentioned earlier, I am having a hard time taking good care of this suede. But regardless, I love the texture. I love how the suede looks. It's very fashionable. However, when it comes to a wear and tear, like to maintain it, I just really find it so difficult. But if you can deal with that, that would be perfectly fine. But with me, to each their own. You could do whatever you want. If you wanted to wear it or not, go for it. But I totally just adore her. She is pretty. So, anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.